Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Made Simple. I'm Amy, and I'm so happy you're here with us again today.
And I'm Alex. It's great to see you, Amy. The weather is perfect for learning English, isn't it?
It really is. And today, we're starting something special, a full journey through real English conversations you can use in your everyday life.
Yes, not long grammar lessons, not complicated explanations, just warm, natural English. The English you use at home, at work, in shops, at the airport, everywhere.
Exactly. So let's begin with the most important topic, talking about yourself.
Okay, Amy, I have a question I think many learners worry about. When someone says, "Tell me about yourself," what should I say? Sometimes my mind just goes empty.
Don't worry, Alex. That happens to everyone. Let's make it simple. Just start with three things: your name, where you're from, and one small detail about your life. Like this: my name is Amy. I'm from Canada. I love teaching English.
See, that feels real. Not too long. Let me try. My name is Alex. I'm from the Philippines. I enjoy morning walks.
That's perfect. Clear and friendly. Everyone watching, try it right now. Your name, your country, and one thing you like.
And don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Every sentence you say helps you grow.
Okay, Alex. After introductions, what do people talk about next?
Daily life.
Exactly. Your daily routine. Let's keep it short and natural. Listen. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I drink coffee. Then I go to work. Simple, easy, real.
Let me try building mine. I wake up at 6. I stay in bed for 10 minutes because I'm still sleepy. Then I make tea. I check my phone and I listen to music.
That sounds great. Everyone, try building your own short routine. Just 2 to 4 sentences.
Yes, don't write long paragraphs. Short sentences make natural English.
Let's move to our next real-life situation. Ordering at a cafe.
Ah, yes, one of my favorites. Coffee shops, soft music, warm bread. I love it already.
Picture this. You walk in, smile, and say, "Good morning. Can I have a cup of coffee, please?"
Sounds friendly, and please is important.
Let's practice a full conversation. I'll be the barista. You order. Good morning. What would you like today?
Hi, can I have a cappuccino, please?
Of course. Anything to eat?
Yes, a croissant, please.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
That will be $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy your coffee. See? So simple. Not scary at all.
Exactly. Real English conversations are short and warm.
Our next situation, shopping. People always ask me, how do I ask for prices?
Today, we fix that. Just say, how much is this? How much is that? And if you want to be more polite, how much is this, please? Can you tell me the price, please?
Let's role play again.
Hello, how much is this jacket?
It's $50.
Ooh, bit expensive. Do you have any discount?
Maybe a small one. Let me check. Great job, Alex. Everyone watching, try saying the sentences out loud. How much is this? Do you have any discount?
Okay, Amy. Phone calls scare a lot of learners.
They really do, but phone calls are easy if you know the structure.
Start with, hello, this is, I'm calling to ask about.
Let's practice. Good morning, Green Cafe. How can I help you?
Hello, this is Alex. I'm calling to ask about my reservation.
Sure. What time is your booking?
6 p.m. tonight.
Everything is confirmed.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. See? Short and simple.
Yes, and if you don't understand something, just say, "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?"
Let's travel now to the airport.
Airports are exciting but stressful. Lots of English everywhere.
So let's learn the key sentences. At check-in, they may say, "Can I see your passport?" Do you have any bags to check in? Window or aisle?
And I can answer, "Here is my passport." Yes, one bag. Window seat, please.
Perfect. Let's try a full airport dialogue. Good afternoon. Can I see your passport, please?
Sure, here it is.
Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, one suitcase.
Thank you. Your gate is number 9. Boarding starts at 6:30.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice flight.
That felt smooth. Much easier than real life.
And soon, real life will feel this easy too.
Okay, Amy, now something fun. Hobbies.
Yes. When you talk about what you love, English becomes natural. You can say, I like, I love. In my free time,
For example, I like playing guitar. I love watching movies. In my free time, I meet friends.
Perfect. Everyone watching, try one sentence about your hobby.
Our next real-life situation, talking to colleagues.
You don't need complicated English. Simple sentences work best. Good morning. How are you today? How's your day going? See you tomorrow. Let's act out a quick office scene.
Good morning, Alex. Welcome to the team.
Thank you, Amy. I'm happy to be here.
How's your first day?
It's good. Everyone is friendly.
If you need help, let me know.
Thank you, I will.
See? Short and friendly.
Many learners are scared to speak English at the doctor.
Let's fix that today.
Tell the doctor what you feel. I don't feel well. I have a headache. My stomach hurts. I have a fever.
Let's practice.
Good morning. What seems to be the problem?
Good morning. I have a sore throat and a fever.
How long have you felt this way?
2 days.
Okay. Please rest and drink water.
Thank you, doctor.
Simple, right? Now, the most common topic in the world.
Yes, the weather.
It's sunny today. It's cold this morning. It's raining a lot. It's windy today.
And easy conversation starters. Nice weather, isn't it? It's very hot today.
Let's do a quick scene.
Good morning. Lovely weather today, isn't it?
Yes, so sunny. I might go for a walk.
Me too. It's a perfect day.
Simple, friendly, natural. That's real English. Let's combine everything in a small story. It's Saturday morning. The sun is shining. Alex wakes up early, makes coffee, and walks to his favorite cafe. He orders, "Good morning. Can I have a cappuccino, please?" The barista smiles. He sits by the window, enjoying the warm morning. Then his phone rings. "Hi, Amy. How are you?" "I'm great. The weather is beautiful today."
Real English. Real moments.
I feel relaxed already.
Everyone, you're doing amazing. You've practiced conversations for cafes, airports, shops, doctors, daily life, all in simple English.
Yes. And remember, every sentence you speak is progress. Even one phrase today makes you stronger tomorrow.
Take a breath, get some water, and when you're ready,
I hope you're feeling good and ready to learn more real English with us. Just like before, we'll keep everything simple, natural, and useful for your daily life.
Yes, and remember, every small sentence you practice is progress. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to keep speaking. That's how real English grows.
Exactly. And now that we've finished talking about shopping, phone calls, and airports in the last part, let's move into something many learners love: hobbies and free time.
This is one of my favorite topics. When you talk about your hobbies, your English sounds more natural because you're talking about things you enjoy.
Right. And you don't need difficult words. You can start very simply with I like or I love.
Like, I like watching movies, or I love playing guitar.
Yes. And you can also say, in my free time, for example, in my free time, I read books. In my free time, I go walking.
I'll give one. In my free time, I meet friends and drink coffee. Very simple.
That sounds like you. I love gardening after work. It helps me relax.
You see, everyone, just speak about what you enjoy. Don't worry about long sentences. Short sentences sound natural.
If you want to ask someone about their hobbies, you can say, what do you like doing in your free time? Or, do you have any hobbies?
Very easy. Try answering right now. Say one sentence. I like or I love. Pause.
Good job. Even if you said just one small sentence, that is real practice.
let's move to another real-life place, your workplace. Many learners want to speak English with coworkers, but feel shy.
So let's learn some simple phrases for daily work conversations.
In the morning, you can say, "Good morning. How are you today?" Or, "Did you have a good weekend?"
Yes, these questions are friendly and very common at work. You can also say, how's your day going?
And when you leave work, you can say, "See you tomorrow," or "Have a nice evening."
Let's act out a short work scene.
Sure, I'll be the new employee.
Good morning. Welcome to the team, Alex.
Thank you, Amy. I'm happy to be here.
How's your first day so far?
It's great. Everyone is very kind.
That's good. If you need help, just let me know.
Thank you, I will.
See how simple that was? No long grammar, just friendly English.
Yes, short sentences help you sound natural and confident.
Let's move to another real-life situation. The doctor's office. Many learners feel nervous speaking English there.
But the secret is simple. Just describe how you feel in clear, short sentences.
For example, I don't feel well. I have a headache. My stomach hurts.
Let's try a small role play.
I'll be the doctor.
Good morning. I don't feel well. I have a sore throat.
How long have you felt like this?
For 2 days.
Okay, you should rest and drink water.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
See? Very simple.
And if you don't understand something, you can say, could you repeat that, please? Or, can you speak more slowly, please? These two sentences are very helpful anywhere, not only at the doctor.
Now let's talk about something everyone speaks about every day, the weather.
Yes, weather is the easiest way to start a friendly conversation. You only need a few simple sentences, like, it's sunny today, it's raining, it's cold this morning.
And if you want to start a chat, you can say, nice weather, isn't it? Or, it's really windy today.
Let's act a small scene. I'll be your neighbor.
Okay.
Good morning. Lovely weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it's so sunny. I think I'll go for a walk.
That's a great idea.
Easy, right?
Very easy. Now you try. Say one sentence about the weather right now.
Nice. And don't worry about mistakes. The goal is communication, not perfection. You know, Amy, when people learn English, they often think they need big, difficult sentences.
But real English in real life is simple. Short sentences, clear ideas, kind voices.
Exactly. And every time you speak, even a short phrase, you're growing. You're building confidence without even noticing it. So if you learned even one new sentence today, that's already progress. Be proud of yourself.
Yes. Don't try to be perfect. Just try to communicate. One small step today, one new step tomorrow.
Speak a little every day. Listen a little every day. And be patient with yourself.
Remember, you're not alone. We're here with you, learning together.
Before you go, try writing one simple sentence in the comments. Maybe tell us which real-life situation you want us to teach next.
We read every message, and it makes us happy to see your progress.
We read every message, and it makes us happy to see your progress. Take care, keep practicing, and keep speaking.
See you in the next episode.